Meow. Hi, it's Penny here. Crazy cat artist. I am just at the beginning of a lovely jester kitty sketch for you. I love this stage. I love the authenticity of it, just capturing that gesture of that particular pose of that cat. Just notice that I'm not always putting down lines. Sometimes I'm just feeling my way around. Trust your gut. It's usually about 1 head distance between the chin and the chest in this position for a long-haired cat. If the cat changes its position slightly, though, it's going to be different. So trust your gut. Get a feel for it, and if it doesn't feel or look right, then just think about what it is that looks wrong and change it. That's how I work my way through my drawings. It's that nice big fat fluffy wavy tail. I kind of look at cats' tails in my drawings as flags that the cats are waving. It really is a gesture at this stage. I'm staying away from as many details as I can, and I just want the gesture of the fact that there's a cat standing there looking at us, probably wanting breakfast or supper or lunch or snack. They always want something, don't they? Yes, we have a Facebook group. You'll be welcome to join if you are passionate about drawing cats, so please find the link in the video description below. So now I'm getting some lines in there to help guide me with the eyes. And yeah, there we go. Add some features. We're still really at the gesture stage. I mean, who is to say when it ends and begins anyways, hey? But now starting to put some features in, a bit of detail. See, and I don't even have lines all the way around the eyes. And they still stand out as eyes, and in many ways they have more character and soul. That being said, there I just closed in that highlight I wanted to keep on that pupil. So I might as well close them both in. I'm looking at the photo that I'm drawing from, and the cat there does have bigger, rounder pupils. So I'm just kind of used to putting the skinny ones in, but I kind of like the look of that cat with the big round pupils. I do both. You can really change the expression of your cat just by changing the size and shape of the eyes. I'm sure you probably have a cat, and you know you know that they're saying something different with each expression, aren't they? Very expressive creatures. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the little notification button, the little bell. Hit that bell, and hopefully you won't miss a video that way. Just getting some markings in there. This is a stage that I start to think, well, maybe I'm overdoing it a bit, but then I stop and remind myself that the reason I'm doing all these extra things after I actually like the drawing is because I recognize it as a learning task. It's a practice sketch. Oh, not that all art isn't practice. All art is practice, but it's not something I'm going to worry about framing or anything. So I take that opportunity to continue to learn throughout it. Once I know that it's not a sketch that's going to be something I frame or exhibit or whatever, once I realize I'm at that stage, then that's when I see it as a really good opportunity to just keep going and keep learning through it. Just trying to get a little smirk in there too, hey? I like that. Experimenting, I guess, is what I'm trying to say, is what I do throughout sketches like this. It's trial and error. That's how you learn what works for you. And what works for me may not work for you. So thank you so much for watching this little sketch. There's lots more to come. I hope you drop a comment and let me know what you want to learn most about drawing cats. See you next time.